The ingredients for our fried rice today are obviously rice that we cooked last night, let that dry off in the fridge, 2 eggs, some bacon, chicken, mushrooms, mixed veggies, and some spring onion and chili. Also some Maggi seasoning, a little bit of oyster sauce, chicken seasoning, and some butter. Okay, so to start things off, first let's get our pan hot. So I've got our barbecue going, turn it on. Alright, so that's on. Let's let that warm up. First thing we need to do is we need to fry off our eggs. So let's open those up, go in, make sure there's no shell in there. Put a little bit of salt in the eggs, let them cook. You want them to be nice and dry. The bacon's been cooking for a little while. As you can see, it's got nice caramelization on it, so now the bacon's ready as well. So let's tip that off in with the chicken. When you do it, just keep the pan to the side so you don't have to use all the oil. Leave the oil in the wok. Just pull it off. Okay. Put it back on the heat. Then let's throw in our mushrooms. Throw in our mixed veggies, a little bit of salt, and let's cook that through. Okay, so the vegetables have been cooking off for a little while. As you can see, they're starting to wilt, starting to look good. Mushrooms are soaking up the oil and the juices. So let's put the rice in, get our rice stock. Put that in, break it all up, and just keep turning it over. The rice is cooking down, it's all warming up now, everything's combining. What I like to do is put a little bit of butter in there, and that will just help with giving a little bit of gloss, adding a little bit extra flavour to it. A lot of people will add ghee or duck fat, or pig fat or something like that. You can hear how it's popping and sizzling away. You can tell it's all hot, everything's combined. I'm going to add just a little bit of seasoning on this one today, the magic syrup. Just a little bit. Then a splash of Maggi seasoning, and just a dash of oyster sauce. I like oyster sauce, some people rather just have soy sauce. Last thing to do is let's put some in a bowl. There you go. Fried rice. Let's taste it. That's like fried rice. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.